Hello, Mark here for Benmarks Motors again, and this has just come in yesterday, this gorgeous colour BMW X2. They call it I think it's the Galvanic Gold. It was a £500 extra when it was new, and in the sun it absolutely looks gorgeous. Don't see many of these in this colour. Actually, don't see many BMWs in this A colour, but it does look nice, really nice, especially against the 20-inch M Sport alloy wheels, which was an optional extra as well. This car's got over £6,000 worth of optional extras. It's got all the packs: Vision, Tech, M Sport pack, and like I said, the 20-inch alloy wheels, the paint. It is absolutely gorgeous. Right size, lovely and spacious as well. Like I said, it is an X2. It's on the 68 plate. It's on a late 2018, but the car's just done over 9,000 miles. Yes, 9,000 miles from new. It's been extremely well looked after. Hardly no stone chips on the front. Actually, I can't see any. Bumper corners perfect. All four alloys are perfect. It will benefit from 2 new front tyres. Wind mirror cap's good. No nasty scuffs, dents, car park dents, nothing. Love the BMW badge on the side there, on both sides. Bumper corners again good. Lovely from the back end as well. Nice twin exhaust. It is the 2-litre diesel xDrive. Like I said, just 9,000 miles. It's got 5 services, all main dealer. Truly remarkable car. If you're in the market for an X2, well, look no further. It's lovely from the front as well. A couple of spots, your M Sport design. Let's have a look inside. I think there's a slight mark just on this door here, which is a shame there, look, which we are going to get that professionally touched in, hard to see. And I think when I was cleaning it, there was a little mark there. You know, we're very honest here at Benmarks. I think that's it, but again, that'll just be professionally touched in. Oh, there, I knew there was one there as well. It's been caught when putting something in the boot. But apart from that, everything else is mint. The interior, black leather with the blue trim, looks really, really nice, especially at night as well. All the door shuts are perfect, no nasty seatbelt marks. Sorry about the sun, but it's just starting to set. Been a lovely day here again. You really need to see this A colour close up. Lovely blue trim again on the doors. Got your M Sport foot plates there. Hardly no wear on the seats, as you would expect for only 9,000 miles. Pop inside. Obviously got all your safety features if you need them. Obviously it's got the aircon, and it's got all the screen, your nav, technology, everything you need. Obviously it's an automatic. That's a sport mode. Automatic handbrake, control everything rather than knob. Plenty of storage. Just looking there, they're cup holders. Flappy paddles. Your sport steering wheel. And then the mileage is there, look, 9,141 miles. Driven the car myself, drives really well, drives like new. Yep, really nice thing. Really, really nice thing. This guy is now available at Benmarks Motors, guys. thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.